Hi guys, Angie here from Fun Endeavors Tie-Dye Lab, and I'm going to do an illustration today of what it is like when you dye a spiral fold bandana 6 different ways. So the first way we're going to do is I'm going to apply the dye in a pie format with 3 equal portions. Today I'm using fuchsia, yellow, and turquoise. Okay, now the second way I'm going to apply the dye is like a bullseye. Okay, now the third way that I'm going to apply the dye is I'm going to do in a spiral. Okay, so our fourth way is going to be in stripes. So the fifth way, I'm going to do a combination of the bullseye and the equal pie portions. The final way, I'm going to use 2 colors on one side, and I'm going to use 1 color on the back side. The back side is going to be an entire solid color. flip this, I'm going to put blue all on the back. Okay, here are 6 different ways that you can apply dye to a spiral fold. All of these bandanas have been treated with soda ash solution so that they will accept the dye. After waiting 12 to 24 hours, I'm going to rinse out the bandanas and I will show you what they look like. Just remember that a spiral fold is one of the most versatile folds. You can apply dye in many different ways and get very different results. Okay, it's time for the big reveal. I have allowed all of them to batch for about 18 hours. Rinsed them out in cold water until most of the dye came out. I put them into a washing machine that had textile detergent in there to keep the colors from blending together, and this is what we came out with. This is our first bandana. It's the one that was done with equal portions of dye applied to the spiral. Here's number 2. It was the one done with the Bullseye, where we applied the yellow in the middle, followed by the blue, then by the red. So this is our Bullseye pattern. Third was the one that we applied in a spiral. We spiraled the dye out from the center. This is our 4th, which we applied in stripes. This is our 5th, which is a combination of the Bullseye and the equal pie portions. We put the yellow in the middle and then the equal portions of red and blue on the sides. And finally, this is number 6. This is the one where we did half yellow on one side, half red on that same side, and then on the back side we put nothing but blue. So I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial from Fun Endeavors Tie-Dye Labs. Thank you for watching.